I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by BTC Prague, the biggest Bitcoin event in Europe, happening June 8th through 10th. Make sure you're there to check out 60 world-class speakers, 100 plus companies in the expo site, and a ton of great people, all in beautiful Prague. You can expect talks from people like Michael Saylor, Stefan Livera, Alex Svetsky, Giacomo Zucco, Knut Svanholm, and many more. I can't wait to attend, so head over to btcprague.com and use code BTC Sessions for 5% off at checkout.
I always actually planned on being a stay-at-home mom. I knew from every age I can think of that I wanted to be a mother, that I wanted to raise my family, that I wanted to be the traditional woman. Sorry, feminists everywhere. I truly always really aspired to be the mom of the family and make that my career. Went to college and hustled to start my own business from a very young age so that I could save up, plan, work for myself, never need the 9 to 5. On the way, I visited a couple industries. Big pharma, didn't like big pharma, working in that capacity. Legal cannabis distribution, that was a fun little riff. Ended up in Bitcoin, mostly just because it never worked out in a fiat world for me to be a stay-at-home mom. The idea of a one-income household is just not attainable for the masses at this point. And if I have to work, obviously I have to work. Money is broken. What can we do? If I have to work, I need it to be in Bitcoin. I need it to be knowing that like future men, women, whomever, it doesn't matter who wants to aspire to be the family rearer or to be more involved in their children's lives. I want to give that option back to people because that's not an option for me unless Balaji is right. I don't think it's going to be an option for me anytime in necessarily my working years. And I'm also watching in real time working years are just being extended. Look at France. It's trending all in the wrong direction. And we're all just in this system where, okay, we're living to work, we're living to work, we're living to work. People are starting side hustles. People are starting side jobs and getting second and third jobs just to make ends meet and feed their families, even in nations as overly successful as America. Like, we are exceptionally blessed here to have all of the freedoms that we have and all of the resources available to us, even just down to like my fridge full of food. I'm very grateful for, but I also am aware that we're kind of at the top of those resources just being so readily available. So if it's this difficult for us, difficult being a very relative term, but I see just how that entire spectrum is really, really hurting families. And it's kind of breaking the idea of a traditional family. And that's my reason. To loop back to my working in Bitcoin, very thankful that I'm working in this space. And I'm bullish because of the work that I'm doing. I'm super thankful to be working for Bitcoin Magazine and for the conference. We are putting the largest stage out there for Bitcoiners, obviously, but I'm personally driven by the non-Bitcoiners. I want to continue to position this company with my incredible team toward people that don't understand yet, people that are completely put off. They're watching the 5 o'clock news. They're hearing how we're killing the earth. That's fine. Let's have those conversations. We're bringing speakers that are having those conversations. We're addressing all of those issues. I don't want to live in an echo chamber of Bitcoiners. I love the echo chamber of Bitcoiners. It's the most fun. That's what I do with the meetups that I go to. But it's really just, I am really thankful that my job gives me the ability to talk to so many people that don't yet know why they care about Bitcoin or don't yet know why Bitcoin is really a tool to help bring back the family dynamic.